Hey guys, welcome to Bubblegum Simulator. I haven't played this game in my videos, but today I will. Well, guess what? I've already, like a few weeks ago when I told you I had 6,000 Robux, I bought the Infinite Game Pass, 2 times luck, 500 plus eggs. Here, I'll show you. Not avatar. Just wait a sec. Here, I bought the infinite size VIP. Oh god. Infinite size VIP, 30 slots, 2 times luck, 500 slots, and multi-egg, which is 3 eggs hatching at once, which I'm doing right now. Now, I'm just going to keep clicking it. I just wish I had an auto clicker, you know, because then it would be so much easier. I'm literally just spamming my mouse. Oh yeah, I will play Arsenal in my next video, but I'm not that good on laptop. I'm better on mobile. Anyway, I'm going to the last island down here. Oh, and yes, I do have pets. I just turned them off here. Here. There we go. These are all my pets. I just turned them off because they're kind of annoying when I try to move. What? I haven't discovered that island yet. Dun, 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 dun. I need a 1% epic and then a 0.04 legendary. That one. Now it is very glitchy. Alright, I need to go to the second last island, then go up there. Okay, here. I've got all the islands in this besides that one. Going to get this. Where was it? Oh, well, I'm just going to turn off my pets. Hi. Hide all pets. There we go. Okay. Here. Just so I can get up quicker. Nah. Need to blow more infinite bubbles. Oh god, it's shiny. Oh, just made it. Here is another place. Now I did hurt my finger when I was playing soccer at school, so I can't do obbies that good. Even though I'm not very good at obbies. Well, I would say that I'm not very good at obbies. You might think I am, but I don't think I am. Oh, just. Damn it. don't know why they're so shiny. They used to be not. Oh, it's at night. Okay, I get it now. Well, I guess I'll have to go all the way back down. Well, there's no way I can make that one, but I can make this one down here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Am I there yet? Okay, I don't think I'm going to make that. I could make it. And guys, if you join my game, can you please trade me for the 900 myth split? I've only got this one. Oh god, I fell. There. No. Mythic, which isn't as good as the normal one. Or that one. Well, it's a cube, so... Wait, did I die? Oh, I thought I died for a second. I'm like, what? What happened? Oh yes, I forgot the code. I forgot some codes, but this is a benefit code. It's UC6J L10GD9 28_4JE 49. Damn it. SNDW. This is the code. This is a whole code. It's a random code. Don't know why. No, I need that exclusive pet. Oh, there I am. I have got... Bruh. Alright, I'm just going to get the last pet. 5%. I don't know why I'm doing this. They're useless. Alright. Well, I've got every pet in that. Every pet in that. Yeah. And every pet in that. And also every pet in this. Which is only one. But it's bad. Ow, my thumb! I sprained it. Oh, I can need to open 3,000 eggs. Wait a second. I've got 500 million. Yes! Oh crap, I'm going down to my money. Well, I can always go to over here to the first one. Here. I get $1 billion here. 1 billion. Diddy. Just spamming my mouse again. I guess I'll go to the Halloween place now. How did people get the 900 million split? Now oh yes. I did give that to someone else, I don't know why. I hope I get it again. It's not on the freaking thing. Max level, cool. I don't know why I did that. Ooh. Don't know why I gave that pet to someone. Anyway, once I get a new pet discovery, then I'll end the video here. No. Last one. Come on, get it. Please. No. Anyway, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all in Arsenal or the next video. Bye! Wait. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell, and comment down below what game you want me to play after Arsenal. Bye!